Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you 3 ways you can get copyright-free videos from Canva for your Restream purposes. If this sounds exciting, please like this video and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get into it. Head over to canva.com or install and use the Canva mobile app on your smartphone. For your Restream, the recommended video resolution is 1080 by 1920 pixels. This is the same format used for Instagram Reels or WhatsApp status videos. Select the WhatsApp status template. This will open up a blank canvas, just like the one I have here. Next, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Elements. This is where we're going to find a video for Restream. You can search for any video on any topic. It can be about animals, humans, games, etc., etc. For this demonstration, I'm going to search for scuba diving. There are hundreds or even thousands of videos related to scuba diving. I'm going through to find one that I would like to use for my Restream. This one looks great. Click on it to add it to your canvas. Then stretch the edges so that it fits the frame perfectly for a high-quality look. Hit the play button to preview your video. Looks good. You can also click here to view it in full screen mode. If you're happy with how it looks, let's move on to downloading it. Before we download, let's rename the video to something like Crazy Scuba Diving. Once that's done, click Share, then Download, and finally confirm the download. Our video has been downloaded, and we can go ahead and upload it to Restream. Let's preview it. That's some crazy diving right there. Great! You realize that the video we downloaded is only 35 seconds long, right? What if we want a longer video? This is where the second method comes in. In Canva, click here to add a second page. Then, add another video and resize it to fit the frame as we did before. As you can see, the added video, which is 12 seconds long, has increased the total length of our video to 47 seconds. You can add as many videos as you want, but note that the more videos you add, the longer your final video becomes. I'll delete the previous clips. Now the final video. This is a video we're going to customize. In Elements, under Shapes, find this shape or any shape you prefer. Click to add it to your page, resize it as needed, and then choose your preferred color. I'll go with this color, but feel free to pick whatever works for you. Next, click on Text, then add a heading. Customize the text, change the color. I will choose the white color and change the font type. To move and align elements together, double-click on the white space, drag to select both the shape and text, click this to duplicate, and change the text to whatever you desire. Go to Elements again and search for any video you like. I will use this. Click to add it to the page. Continue customizing to your preference. You can duplicate the pages as many times as you want and add as many videos as you wish. Note that each page can have different text and a different video. The choice is yours. Let's preview what we've done. Good job! I can go ahead and download it and upload this video to my Restream account, and I won't have any copyright issues. Bonus tip, Canva also offers an AI-powered video generation feature, but please note, this is part of their paid plan. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to support the channel. See you in the next one.